Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous.
What's up, and welcome to another meal that the chef has prepared for us. Hopefully he washed his hands, y'all. But let's get to this first workout. You see where I'm at, right? When you see this, you know what we're doing. We're doing some pull-ups. This is going to be our appetizer. We're going to do 3 sets of 10. And then we're going to get this party going. Let's just warm up. All right, let's get it. All right.
The Super Set King! Who's hungry? Let's eat.
Woo, baby! 3 sets of 10, y'all. Take your break in between if you need it. Because we're getting you ready for what's to come. So be easy on yourself. 3 sets of 10. Once you have done this, you have finished the appetizer. I will see you at the entree. What's up? We are now at our entree, y'all. So you know it's about to get ugly. We start off with pull-ups. So this one we got the single arm dumbbell row. Y'all listen to this, but we got a bunch of sets. We're gonna start at 15, 15, 15, 12, 10. Once you ran that rack, that is 1 set. Then you gotta do that all over again. Y'all ready? Let's get it done. I'm gonna start at 5s. I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna have you kind of bent over a little bit. Bring your arm up.
Who's hungry? Let's eat.
Once you knock those out,
Who's hungry?
you keep it moving, y'all. Another 15.
Who's hungry? Let's eat.
Once you knock those out, one more 15.
Let's move that way.
All right, now we at 12.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. They hungry, chef. Woo-wee. Let's get them. They call you Super Set
And the last one, 10, guys.
It's all about results.
Woo!
Better get 'em.
That's 1 set on 1 arm. Guess what? You gotta run that baby back again with that other arm. Remember, 15, 15, 15, 12, 10. Once you have done both arms, you have finished that set. We're gonna do that 2 times. You're gonna be on fire. But that's what we want, right? We wanna feel it. See you at the next part of the entree.
Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Super Set King!
What's up? We are on the lat pull down. So this is gonna be a superset. We're gonna do this with some rear delt flies. But with this one, it's gonna be underhand, 15, 15, 12, 10. And then those flies gonna be 15 for 4 sets. Got that? Let's do it.
He is
Chest up.
the Super Set King!
Do these 15 for this first set.
Let's eat. Who's hungry?
Once you have done your first 15, gonna come over here.
Who's hungry?
I'm gonna grab these 15s to do
Let's eat.
15.
Who's hungry? Super
Make
Set
sure you're kind of bent over.
Let's move that weight.
Once you ran that 15, you go back to your lat pull downs. So that's 15, 15, 12, 10. These are all 15. Y'all got that? See you at the next part of this entree.
It's all about results. Better get them.
What's up? We are back. So this one's gonna be 2 exercises. Plated row and the lat pull down. Each one of these, we're gonna do it 20 times, 3 times each. Let's get to it.
He is the Super Set King! Who's hungry? Let's eat.
All right, Once you bust your 20 of those,
Who's hungry?
so get some shade right here.
Let's eat. Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Superset King!
All right, 20, 20, each one. You have that 3 times. Once you have done that 3 times, we are done with this part, and we're moving on to the next part of the entree. See you there.
They hungry, chef. Woo-wee. Let's get them. They call you.
What's up?
the
So we are
Superset
back. Go
King.
ahead and grab yourself a dumbbell. These are gonna be our single arm curls. So what we're gonna do here, 15, 15, 12, 10, 30. So you know your weight. Go up, and then when you get to that 30, go down a little bit, because you don't wanna do 30. Well, you can. I ain't gonna say you don't. But 15, 15, 12, 10, and then the last one's gonna be 30. So let's do that. And each arm.
The Superset King. Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry?
So once you have knocked out that 15, 15, 12, 10, 30, go up in your weight, that last 30, and go down a little bit. And both arms. What you do to one side of your body, you gotta do it to the other, because you don't wanna have one big arm or little arm. After you do that, take your break, because your arms are gonna burn. So you got the next part of this entree.
Let's move that weight.
What's up? I'm back again. We are at the final part of this entree. We got the rope cable curl. So we're gonna do this 3 times, 15 times each, but when we go up, we're gonna do a 4 count negative going down 15 times. Y'all know it couldn't be easy. So we're gonna go up, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who's hungry?
And you're gonna feel these guys, because we already done burnt our arms out. Biceps is on.
Who's hungry?
Burn.
Let's eat.
And once you've done that 15 times, 3 times, you have completed the entree. And now we're gonna go to our cherry on top. See you soon. Hey, we have made it to the dessert.
Let's move that weight.
I got a little more energy. I can still dance a little bit. Final thing, we're gonna do a cable rotation. We're gonna do that 3 times, 15 times each. Remember, you do this side, you got to turn around and do the other side. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So you wanna stand a little bit away from it, hold the cable in both arms, and you wanna really rotate your body.
The Superset King.
To get that full effect.
Who's hungry? Let's eat.
See how my leg is, the hip is moving? Do that on that side, turn around, do your other side 15 times. Run that back. You got 3 times total to do that. Once you've done that, the meal is complete and we are full and we ready to go because we're done. Like I always say, do not keep us a secret. RepetitionDiner.com, SweatFlexRepeat.com until I see you again and eat another meal. See you later. Be safe.